defined here as a year. So let's see how it looks like. We that I can delete because it doesn't plot anything. So here we see our oh, I chosen the wrong one. That's not the significant data. That's the direction. So I need to do it on the way. Therefore, it's always nice if we plot it all the time. So we go for the wave height. We do it again. We find the extremes and then we visualize it. And now we see our wave height. That's always the highest wave per year. Otherwise, we can now also select just the waves maybe that are bigger than 1.5 meter, and we select the extremes, that the events that have waves greater than 1.5 meters within 24 hours. And let's plot this. So we have once again a lot of data, and these are all the events that are recognized as significant events. And then we fit distribution to the data. Here we go for the Bible distribution. And then we can, but we can also use the automatically one, because this is somehow already an optimized solution that PyExtreme offers, that you get the best fit possible based on a certain criteria that is described in the documentation, and then you get the model, and you get the return period by just mentioning the return period. Model get summary, and then you can define the return period and also the alpha value, so they get intervals. So here a 2-year event would be, in this case, probably 2 meters wave height, and a 100-year event almost 3 meters. And then we can check how good our fit is by plot diagnostic. And then that's just the visual plot. You get also the fitting parameters, or yeah. And if you want to have this summary as Excel, we could also just say summary to Excel, and then we define summary. Excel has X, maybe like this, and we run that, and it should pop up on the left of our screen. It also always needs some time. Oh, it didn't work. So it might be a bit more complicated. Seems to be a bit more complicated, and I must admit I also haven't checked that before, but I'm pretty sure that there is an option how to export that data. So it's already, I guess it's something with my connection now. Oh, I was just impatient. You see, it just makes some time. So we can really extract this summary to Excel, and then it appears here. And we can download that one with the download function, and then we can open the summary, and then we have the return periods as a table. Yeah. Very fast. Yeah. And yeah, there are a lot of different options. You can define different distributions you want to fit, and there is a lot to discover. I really recommend to maybe go to this PyExtreme site. Just Google PyExtremes, so you see what's possible. Yeah.
Okay, great, Andrea. We learned a lot, and very good information for me personally and for all trainees. I hope you can send us a small, PDF file to describe how we can at least make simple function using local machine like Spider as example.
Actually, all you need to do, I can show you. You can say download Py, and then you get a Python file. And for example, I have Visual Code.
Yes.
And it's still downloading, I see. No. And then you can just open the file that I just created on your local machine. That's everything you need to do. I would recommend that you test that, and if it's not working, just write an email, and then we can see how to fix it. Is that an option?
There are one suggestion or question, which is preferable for Python, using Jupyter or Spider or Microsoft Code?
We decided to use Visual Code Studio.
Excuse me?
I just shared this one. We decided to use Visual Studio Code, the one to the lower left. Yeah. That can be downloaded for free. And
Microsoft Code.
Pardon?
Microsoft Code.
Yes, that's a Microsoft product. That's for free. Yeah. But actually, you are totally free. You can also use Anaconda. That's also quite, and then you get Spider at the same time. We are not using Anaconda anymore because it's not for free in a commercial environment. Therefore, we switched to Visual Studio Code.
Great. عشان فهمت انا كنت مش فري فور كوميرشال، يعني بالنسبه لهم اللايسنس حاجه امبورتنت جدا، فمش موجود على فكره دلوقتي. بس فور كوميرشال ابلكيشنز نوت فري، يعني هي فري انك تستخدمها زي ما انت عايز، بس لو هتعمل بزنس يبقى المفروض ما تعملهاش، يعني لازم تاخد لايسنس ديت يعني. احنا ما نعرفش يعني ايه اصلا. اوكي جريت. طيب في اي حاجه ثانيه؟ It will be very helpful if you make a very small PDF file or PowerPoint presentation in general. I don't know which contains which depths, but the trainee like to have some document for this some small documents for these great presentations.
Yes, I mean, one point is that you have all the data. You have the code, right? You have access to the code. But I can also add until end of the week, I would say, so a short description how to use Visual Code Studio Code, and define like that it should run. It's always, I must admit, it's always a bit unsure whether it's really running. Therefore, I decided for this cloud solution, because then we are really sure that we all have the same setting. But I can create that description until Friday. Yeah.
Great.
Okay.
So
cool.
especially the link between the to define the what I said, the library of mic in Visual Studio Code.
Yeah, yeah. I write a short guideline. Yeah, I can do so. Perfect.
Okay. Thank you a lot for your
Thank you.
presentation, and we learned a lot from you.
Thank you. And have a nice day.
Thank you.
Cool.
Thank you. Thank you,
Okay.
Andrea.
Bye.
Bye-bye.